Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to block stranger from sending you money in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Alipay app, and just like so, having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on the account from the bottom side right here. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top sidebar right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on common privacy settings. So it's going to take you right here. Now what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here where you see allow method for transferring money to me. Okay, now if you don't want any stranger to send you money in Alipay, so if you are using Alipay mobile number, consider to turn off this button. If you are using Alipay email address, consider to turn off this button. So for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular button right here. Now if you disable, stranger will not be able to transfer money to you via mobile number. User who have made transfer to you in the past can continue to transfer money to you, but the strangers will not be able to send you money in Alipay. This is just the meaning. It's as simple as that. What you need to do is to simply click on confirm and close, and with that, the button will be enabled. And if any stranger wants to send you money by just getting your Alipay account number, Alipay will reject the fund and your Alipay account is going to be saved, unless if the person send you a friend request and you accept their friend request, and by that they can send you money successful into your Alipay account. So this is how you can protect any strange fund into your Alipay account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.